All right, today we're going to be installing a Beringer system on this beautiful Carbon Cub. We're going to go with the 10-inch system, 35s. We're also swapping out the landing gear to the Shock Monster 6-inch extended, so 6x3, it's 6 inches longer, 3 inches farther forward. Here's that landing gear, shocks, axles. So we're going to get that all set up. All right, so real quick, remove the gear on one side, getting ready to remove the gear on the other side. We've got the 2 tires mounted up with the 10-inch wheels, still need to be torqued. Parts laid out. Right now I'm making these little adapter cables. This will be used for the parking brake that's comes standard on the Carbon Cub. We use these to keep that parking brake available. And let's keep going. All right, quick update. We've got the landing gear on. Shock Monster extended gear, Beringer brakes are all mounted up. We've got the brake lines fitted. Still putting in the master cylinders. And then we were able to maintain the parking brake feature of the Carbon Cub. So we're gonna lift it up with a crane a little higher so we can put the wheels on. Getting close. All right, wheels are on.
There she is. Looking good.
Just pumped them up. It'd be badass.
Oh, that's gonna be awesome.
All right, what a difference, huh? We figured it went up about 8 inches higher on the spinner. It's pretty tight. So we need to bleed the system, so we'll do that tomorrow. And then she's ready to go.
3 hours till the time.
Yeah, really smooth install. We gotta secure the brake lines with the zip ties, adjust the master cylinder clevis, and check everything out, bleed it, and then go break them in. So another successful Beringer upgrade. Is it worth it?